Hi, I'm Chase Thompson-Baugh with Simply Mac, your local source for everything Apple. We're a Utah-based Apple specialist with 8 stores in Utah, Idaho, and Wyoming. And today we're going to show you some more quick tips on the iPad that I know you're just going to love. And now I'm going to show you how you can add a digital copy of your movies on your iPad. So the best way to get movies on the iPad is actually through the iTunes store. It's the purple icon. And for instance, we have the Muppet movie right here. All I'd have to do is just tap on Buy right there. Now this is a high definition version, that's why it's $20. If I tap on standard definition, I can get the same movie for $15. So definitely for the budget conscious, this is really nice, especially when you consider that most Blu-rays right now for even high definition are about $25, $26 brand new, but on iTunes they're only $20. If I buy it here on the iPad, it can also transfer to my computer so I can watch it on my computer or watch it on my television if I hook up the iPad, or if you happen to have the Apple TV, you can also watch it there. Now you can watch several different movies, and the iTunes store is probably the largest online video store. So definitely a good place to go is right here. If you happen to subscribe to other services like Netflix, you can download those applications through the App Store. Those applications will not install or store those movies on your iPad, but you can watch them wirelessly if you're on Wi-Fi or 3G. Just be cautious if you are on 3G, because downloading a movie through iTunes or watching it on Netflix does use quite a bit of data, even more so if you're downloading through iTunes than Netflix. So make sure you're on Wi-Fi if you're going to download those large amounts of data. Again, I'm Chase Thompson-Baugh with Simply Mac, and I've shown you how you can add digital movies to your iPad.